Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today, the 2014 Mazda Outlander, Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 6234. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 12th 2014. It has a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.